First, grab a little piece of clay. Then roll it into a ball and smooth out any cracks you see. Take the ball and roll it between your hands, applying more pressure towards the pinky side of your hands. Lay your cone on the work surface and then roll it, applying more pressure towards the tip of the cone. Take a pointy tool and poke a hole in the top of the cone to make a holder for the incense stick. Now let your piece dry for 2 to 3 days before you can paint. Now, grab your yellow paint and then paint a yellow stripe along the bottom of your candy corn. I didn't have any orange paint, so I mixed up some red and yellow to make the perfect orange for my candy corn. Then I painted the next stripe on. Last, I added a white stripe to the top of the candy corn. Then I let the paint dry and my new candy corn incense holder is ready to use.